Data Lineage provides a clear visual representation of data flow in Data Productivity Cloud pipelines, giving you insights into pipeline dependencies and relationships. Say we have a transformation pipeline of customer account data that has run. We can use Data Lineage to show the origins of your data and where it moves to over time, providing visibility into the analytics pipeline and simplifies tracing errors back to their sources. By using Data Lineage in the Data Productivity Cloud, we can find out what was the data source, how the data has changed through transformations, and what the final destination of the data is. In this example, we'll run a pipeline that transforms some customer data, joins it together, and outputs it to a new table. Then we'll look at the data lineage for our new table. To access Data Lineage, first log into the hub. Then click the top left menu and go to Manage, and then Pipeline Runs. Then click Lineage in the left sidebar. The Lineage screen shows each table in your project. Listed are table names, the Cloud Data Warehouse infrastructure, and the Cloud Data Warehouse location of each table. We'll click on the Join Customer Accounts table for the transformation pipeline we've just run. The Lineage viewer isn't a full schema of your Cloud Data Warehouse, it shows only the datasets that you've used in running pipelines. The data lineage for a dataset is displayed graphically on a canvas. The graph shows all the states that the data goes through as a transformation pipeline runs on it. In this example, you can see datasets have been combined through a transformation pipeline. This is denoted by the T icon. Each dataset is represented by a separate box on the canvas. And the data flow is from left to right. The data lineage graph may contain multiple datasets and multiple transformations that act on those datasets. You can interact with the lineage canvas much like the pipeline canvas. You can drag and reorganize the view of your datasets without affecting the relationships between them. Clicking on a T transformation icon gives you the name of the pipeline, the name of the project containing the pipeline, the status, for example, success or failure, and the date and time that the most recent pipeline run started and finished, as well as the approximate duration of the pipeline run and the name of the user who most recently ran the pipeline. The pipeline name at the top of this panel goes to the pipeline run details in the observability dashboard. Click any dataset box to show information about that dataset in the panel on the right. This panel includes a columns tab which shows you the name and data type of every column in the dataset. With one or more of the dataset boxes expanded on the canvas, you can trace the full lineage of any individual column of data. To trace a specific column, click on the column name in any of the datasets and follow the line between them. Here we can see how the source tables have joined together to create our customer accounts table. For more information on data lineage in the Data Productivity Cloud, please visit the Matillion documentation site. And for more videos, please subscribe to the channel.